it's me, Angelica, and today we're going to be doing a video about me and my doggy, and my doggy ain't normal, so let's just get started. So guys, there's my doggy. He ain't normal, he's just a dog, as always. Hi Lucky, come here. There's my dog. This is my dog. This is my dog. My doggy. His name is Lucky. And he's adorable. There's my brother that just got smacked in the face.
Leave me alone.
And I'm going to be posting this on YouTube like always do. And there's my dog. And you guys don't know, I'm going to be recording this. Guys, get ready.
Oh no. Oh no. My baby.
She bites my dog.
I treat you like a fraction.
Oh, sorry. Why are you so mad?
You already got me in trouble.
How did I get you in trouble?
Stop!
Let's zoom into that face. Zoom.
Don't tell me.
Melly, you know I could go all the way over here and then I can still see your face close up. Okay, focus. Focus. Doesn't want to focus on your ugly face. There we go. So guys, thank you for watching this video. It's a very, very, very short about my dog. And about my angry brother over there. So bye.